my jacket on, calling a cab, waiting outside. You nearly passed me, but then you asked if I had a light. I told a joke, could we share a smoke or five? I said I ain't got a plan, but we could hang out till the morning. 'Cause I don't wanna leave you now. Let's take the long way home, just a little more time alone. I don't ever wanna let you go. Let's take the long way home. Let's take the long way home. I'm not ready to be alone. I don't ever wanna let you go. Let's take the long way home. I took your hand. You said I moved a little too fast, so I gave it back. You said somebody had hurt you before and it caught you real bad. But he don't deserve you, you're gonna learn I'd never do that. I said I ain't got a plan, but we could hang out till the morning. 'Cause I don't wanna lose you, I don't wanna lose you now. Let's take the long way home, just a little more time alone. I don't ever wanna let you go. Let's take the long way home. Let's take the long way home. I'm not ready to be alone. I don't ever wanna let you go. Let's take the long way home. I took your hand. You said I moved a little too fast, so I gave it back. You said somebody had hurt you before and it caught you real bad. But he don't deserve you, you're gonna learn I'd never do that. I said I ain't got a plan, but we could hang out till the morning. 'Cause I don't wanna lose you, I don't wanna lose you now. Let's take the long way home, just a little more time alone. I don't ever wanna let you go. Let's take the long way home. Let's take the long way home. I'm not ready to be alone. I don't ever wanna let you go. Let's take the long way home. Let's take the long way home, just a little more time alone. I don't ever wanna let you go. Let's take the long way home. Let's take the long way home.
Get your motor running, head out on the highway, looking for adventure. And what